seafarers live in the margin of society, with much of their life spent beyond the reach of land. They face sometimes dangerous conditions at sea, yet men and women still go to sea. For some, the attraction is a life unencumbered with the restraints of life ashore. Seagoing adventure and a chance to see the world also appeal to many seafarers. Whatever the calling is, those who live and work at sea invariably confront social isolation. Every day is a battle for survival. Sometimes it's Mother Nature that you're against too. The sea is not always smooth and cooperative. As the saying goes, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor.
Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Jack Chris, and this is
Jerry. Hi, how are you? So in today's video, we're gonna learn something about the background of Gmdss and also
how to establish connection between other vessels or other stations by using VHF DSC.
And one thing we're gonna learn is how to send an urgent message using Gmdss. So guys, if you want to be productive and learn something new today, come on, join us. Let's go.
In the 70s, ships became larger and crew smaller. It was not considered economical to employ professional radio officers anymore, and monitoring radio communications became responsibility of deck officers. Unfortunately, some distress calls from ships in need of help were missed. The International Maritime Organization and the United Nations Agency were concerned with the shipping and felt compelled to act. The result was the Gmdss, which, since 1999, legally requires all vessels over 300 gross tons or that carrying more than 13 passengers to carry specific equipment.
In times of emergency or distress, it is important to know how to use your equipment, which is the Gmdss. So now I'm gonna teach you how to send an urgent message using Inmarsat. First thing to do is click File on the top left corner, then click New. And after that, you will have a blank sheet for you to have your message. Then after composing your message, click Save. So next thing to do is press the Transmit button and then click the Adjust Book. And there you can find who will receive your message. Then press OK and then click Send. Okay, okay.
And now, I'm going to show you how to establish contact between other vessels or other stations. So the first thing you have to do is to switch on your VHF DSC. Next is you have to press Call. And then type the MMSI number of the station you want to contact. And always remember that the MMSI number is composed of 9 digits. Then press Next. And there you have your time and position. And finally, the last step is to press Send. And now, your call is in progress. And all you have to do is wait for the out. And there you have it guys. I hope you learned from the video you watched today.
Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn something more about this, click the subscribe button below.